It's a very serious sleep disorder that occurs when a person's sleep is interrupted by their breathing being paused. In many cases, sleep apnea goes undiagnosed. It's very common among children. One family shares their battle with us. KTK's Teresa Sardina right now joining us live at our News Update Center with more on that.
Hello, Neil. We were introduced to the Whedon family of Longview. Their daughter has been struggling with sleeping since she was an infant, and it took 5 years to figure out what the problem was. She was diagnosed with sleep apnea, and today we were invited to her checkup to see her progress. 6-year-old Emma was not sleeping through the night since she was 9 months old, waking up sometimes every 30 minutes. She was having night terrors, and it was giving her anxiety.
Her mother noticed that she was having some difficulty staying still in her pre-K school.
We were starting kindergarten, and I was afraid that someone was going to try to look at her and say that she had ADHD.
After several visits with their pediatrician, the Whedon family just figured to contact Dr. Gugay with the Sleep Medicine Institute of Texas.
Her parents just refused to allow her to be put on medications for that. They were convinced that her sleep perhaps was the problem.
A sleep test showed what was happening when Emma closed her eyes for bedtime was irregular, from her breathing pattern, teeth grinding, and moaning. Emma was diagnosed with sleep apnea a little over a year ago.
I put it down and breathe through it, and I have better dreams.
She has to wear a CPAP breathing mask while she sleeps every night.
When we did her sleep test, she has shown tremendous improvement in her breathing at night, and in her teeth grinding, and in the oxygen that she was losing before.
She wasn't growing. Since she's been on her CPAP, she's grown 3 inches, and that's been in the past year.
After treating her sleep disorder, Emma can sleep 8 to 9 hours. Dr. Gugay says that when they move forward with the sleep therapy, and her sleep disorder will get better. And he says your air passage and sleep pattern affects your whole well-being. And coming up at 10, we'll have more on this story. Reporting live in News Update Center, Teresa Sardina, KTK News.
Up next.